Redbox. It is a popular American company that gives DVDs, Blu-rays, disc, 4K Ultra HD and video games on rents. It comes under the subsidiary of Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. Its headquarters located in Oak Brook Terrace. Company was founded in 2002 by Greg Kaplan. At that time, it made a good position in the market. The Redbox company started an idea with McDonald's venture. At the time of starting, the concept was to create automatic kiosks that could sell convenience items like DVDs, which aiming to drive additional traffic to McDonald's restaurants. Do you know what is the meaning of kiosks? A kiosk is a self-service station that allowing users to perform various transactions without the need for human assistance. Kiosks can be used in various places like retail and ticketing, etc. First kiosk was introduced in 2004 and placed in the McDonald's restaurants, and its main purpose is to provide DVDs on rents. And after this idea, it became very famous. So it started its services at other places like grocery stores and pharmacies, etc. And at the end of 2005, Redbox had grown significantly with more than 800 kiosks. There was a reason behind this success. The DVD which they provided on the rent was low in cost, and that's why it became user friendly. There was an investor known as Coinstar who also contributed in the Redbox in the terms of funding and support for the rapid growth of Redbox. And at the end of 2009, Coinstar acquired full ownership of Redbox and the company operated their services independently from McDonald's. But nowadays, Redbox is dead or not? Let's talk about rising of stream services. Nowadays, various famous streaming giants like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus have made their good position in the market. Overall, consumer preference has shifted from physical media to digital formats, and this trend is reflected in the decline of sales and which leading to decline in of physical media rentals. Technology advance, improved internet speeds, and the smart devices have made streaming more accessible and appealing. Various famous companies like Apple and Google providing their services without the need of renting a physical disc. But Redbox did not accept defeat at that time. They provide their services in the new manner to compete with streaming services which allowing user to rent or purchase movies and TV shows digitally. They also provided free live TV which attract consumers. They also continue to update the inventory with new release popular titles and video games to attract consumers who still prefer physical media. They also collaborated with studios and retailers to offer exclusive deals, promotions and discounts. They also improved the user interacting with the help of mobile app which makes it easier to find their application and give them on rents. But nowadays, Redbox revenue from physical market has declined, but company has diverged its income streams through digital offering and ad supported services. Say that Redbox is no longer in dominant force it once was in the rental market, it has not become obsolete. For new videos, please like, comment and share.